The LAUNCH X431 CRP919E Lite 2025 tool offers a comprehensive diagnostic solution with over 32 service functions, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional repair shops. Its advanced bi-directional control allows users to send commands and perform active tests on various vehicle systems, such as fuel pumps and door locks. Equipped with a high-capacity 6,000 milliampere-hour battery and a fast 2 gigahertz processor, the device ensures efficient multitasking and long-lasting use. The scanner is compatible with more than 150 vehicle brands and supports multiple languages, making it highly versatile across global markets. Unique features like TPMS activation and real-time battery voltage monitoring provide added value for comprehensive vehicle diagnostics. With 2 years of free software updates and a 5-year warranty, the device promises reliability and up-to-date functionality for an extended period.